Hi, I'm Mona, and if you're here, you found Kaleidoscope Dreams Tarot. This is a nature read. Yes, time for that nature read again. And we are outside. You hear the birds, but you're also going to hear children playing, possibly. But I would like to say, do not live your life by the tarot. It is you who creates your own destiny. These readings, they may or may not resonate. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share these videos. Someone out there might enjoy them. Also, to my subscribers, welcome back, and to any new subscribers, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. We do like to radiate with that true love energy around here. Happy, friendly, and loving types. We have nothing to fear because we are calm and we are cheerful, right? Well, let's try to be, because we're out in nature, and let's see what nature has to tell us about our situations. This is a general reading, okay? Let's go ahead and see if we can get the general energy of today's reading, okay? Nature read. Dogs, yay! Okay, so we have the King of Coins right here, this guy. King of Coins. This guy, he's got the dough, right? This could be a single guy, because he might have the dough, but he might not have the love, right? Or he could have the love, or what he thinks might be love. Anyways, let's go ahead and see what's going on here with this King of Coins energy. Somebody came into some dough, somebody's got the dough. I don't know. Let's see. All right, so the first three cards out are, we have the Six of Rods. Okay, somebody wants victory. Yeah, victory over situation, right? We also have the Five of Rods, okay? They're also up in their head about it, or they might be arguing with others about it. I don't know, right? We also have the Queen of Cups here. Okay, so Queen of Cups, King of Coins involved here, right? Yeah. Let's go ahead and see. Why is the Six of Rods here in regards to this King of Coins energy? Why is the Six of Rods here? It's too many cards. Why is this Six of Rods here? Why is the Six of Rods here? Why is the Six of Rods here in regards to this King of Coins energy? Alright, so the Six of Rods is there because King of Swords. So there was some victory that came to someone in regards to the King of Swords, right? There was some truth. This King of Coins may have told the truth over a situation, right? Wow. Interesting how they can make a skeleton look sad, right? King of Coins there doesn't look too happy, but he's got money, so he should be. And I also see the King of Blades is basically stuck the blade right through his head, right? Maybe he's tired of all these mental games, right? Yeah, there was some juggling going on there. Now, either he was juggling or somebody was juggling with him, but yeah, this is with somebody from the past. You guys, this is from somebody from the past, right? Why is this Five of Rods here? What's going on with this Five of Rods? What's going on with this Five of Rods? What's going on with this Five of Rods here? What's going on with this Five of Rods? So this Five of Rods. Okay, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see what this is. It appears that the Page of Swords was right here, right? Page of Swords. Somebody was spying on another person, right? Because they were all up in their head about a situation. Yeah, this is a double energy, right? Somebody was watching somebody. Somebody was watching the Empress. And you know, we have the King of Blades right there. Can also represent the Emperor. Not yet there quite, but almost, right? Five of Cups. Somebody may have put the Empress, or the Empress may have put somebody, basically, or somebody may have ended something, and now they're mourning over the loss of the Empress, or the Empress is mourning over the loss of somebody, right? Yes, sir. So we got the Empress and we got the King of Swords. Somebody with the King of Pentacles energy, though, right? So somebody here has got the dough, right? Why is this Queen of Elixirs here? This is Queen of Cups now. Queen of Cups. That's that can be the Empress right there, right? Oh, this is the Four of Cups. Somebody wants to make an offer to this Queen of Cups over here, trying to I don't know, making some kind of offer, but she's not, you know, she's not accepting it, or she's not really responding to it. She's kind of like, oh my God, just leave me alone, right? Like, don't come and ask me right now. I'm not in the mood, right? Something like that. So another reason why she could be feeling this way is because, you know, she's in hermit mode right now. She's in hermit mode, and, you know, she's trying to make judgment over a certain situation, right? And it could be about something that she tried to manifest. She might have tried to manifest something to fruition, but it basically, I don't know, maybe it didn't work out the way she thought, right? What we got the Eight of Rods. There's going to be a message coming in from somebody, right? So we do have that with the Empress, right? She tried to manifest something, didn't quite work out the way she wanted it to. So she basically kind of stepped back. She's like, oh man, what am I going to do here? She's trying to go within and place judgment, or make some sort of judgment of how she's going to deal with the situation, right? So let's find out, you guys. Who is coming towards this Empress? Right? Who is coming towards this Empress? Let me just get a couple shuffles in here. Who's coming towards this Empress? Who's coming towards this Empress? Possibly with this King of Pentacles energy, right? Who's coming towards this Empress? Alright, who's coming towards this Empress? Who's coming towards this Empress? Somebody with this King of Pentacles energy. Who is coming towards this Empress? Who is coming towards this Empress? Who is coming towards this Empress? Oh, darn. Darn, darn, darn. Don't bend my card, please. We have the Four of Cups. Somebody is coming to make an offer to the Empress, right? And there's going to be a tower moment. Yeah, possibly whoever's coming in, maybe the Empress will not accept the offer. I don't, you know. Who is coming towards the Empress? Oh, gosh, darn. All right, let's see. Let's look at this. All right, let me see here. Okay, we have the Lovers, you guys. Let me make some space here, some spacey. Oh, no, is that like this is fine? Okay. So, yeah. This is a lover that's coming in, right? This person is, I have the Knight of Blades here, so this person could have, air in their chart, right? There's a message coming in from this person. It's going to be about truth, right? We have the 10 of coins, right? And we have the 9 of coins. Jeez, you guys. 9 of pentacles. Single lady. Somebody's coming in. They want to have some sort of something with a single lady. This is their lover. Single lady. Single lady could be this Empress energy, right? Oh, wowzers. The moon. Okay, there's a secret. Someone wants to make an offer, but there's a secret somewhere, right? What secret is this? What is the secret? What is the secret that brings in the Tower moment? What is the secret that brings in the Tower moment? What is the secret? What is the secret that brings in the Tower moment? What is the secret that brings in the Tower moment? Come on, what is the secret? There it is. I was waiting for that. I was waiting for Jumper. You know what I'm saying? Because, okay, something came to an end because of a secret or some sort of, somebody was hiding something, right? Love potion, 1 of cups, Ace of cups, somebody was hiding that they wanted a new beginning somewhere, right? They wanted a new beginning with somebody. The next few cards out are for that 9 of coins. Okay, we have the 7 of rods. Okay, there was competition, guys. There was competition. There was competition in regards to who's going to have this 10 of cups energy, right? Oh shit, you guys. Yes. Okay, we have the Queen of Cups, right? Queen of Cups is right here. Queen of Cups could actually be the single lady. I don't know. Could be another lady. Look, the Fool. Somebody wants to take a new journey with that Queen of Cups. So apparently maybe it is a single lady, right? 3 of rods. Somebody waiting for the right time to come, right? Somebody's waiting for the right time to come to approach this Queen of Cups. So they can have some sort of new beginning, right? But they're waiting for something. They're waiting for something to come. You know, but there was secrets, right? Maybe they're waiting for this Tower moment, right? So somebody might be involved with somebody and they're waiting for this involvement to come to an end, right? This Tower moment, right? Why is the Lovers here? 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 So somebody, somebody's being patient, okay? Well, this Lover's being very patient, right? Very, very patient, right? Wants to work it out with this person. And this could be the King of Swords, right? King of Swords is, low-key, that's the Emperor, right? But if we're talking about who's coming towards the Empress, this is who is coming towards her. It's the King of Blades, right? They're lovers, and possibly not together, or they're in separation. The female counterpart is a single lady, right, for sure. Single lady. And, yeah, the Knight of Blades is the one, and the King of Blades is who sent the Knight of Blades with this message, right? That they want to have financial stability with this lady, right? So the next cards out are, okay, we have the Knight of Cups. He wants to share his emotions, right? And he wants to offer stability, man. Look at that, 5 of Cups. So there might be some sort of sadness in the situation because it looks like somebody's going to be mourning over the loss of a situation. So maybe they'll be turned down. What's the last one here? Okay, this is the 6 of Swords. All right, yeah, somebody's going to be moving away or moving towards something, right? Because this here didn't work out, or yeah, whatever didn't work out, what they're currently going through right now, they're going to start making movement towards something like another opportunity, right? It's kind of like, man, it's kind of like something doesn't go right here, they're going to go fix it over there. There's another person here waiting. It's like that. It's like somebody with supply, people supply. And I think this person's lesson here in this situation might be for 1 or 2 of you out there, is that your lesson is you need to learn to survive independently without having any kind of supply, right? Being able to be that independent person where you don't have to rely on anybody. So like if something goes bad in one place, you automatically can jump on to another. You need to learn how to possibly, be independent and do things on your own. Why is this 10 of coins here? What is this 10 of coins doing here? Why is this 10 of coins here? Why is this 10 of coins here? Why is this 10 of coins here? 10 of coins, okay. High priestess, you're dealing with somebody who's highly intuitive, right? Highly intuitive. And you might be the king of cups here. You might have the water in your chart. Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, right? Here's the emperor, right? There he is, right? And here's the 3 of cups. This three-party situation. That's what I'm feeling. But he wants to move forward from that. Okay, so there's a possibility that somebody wants to move forward from, or maybe they're being celebrated, right? And are moving towards a celebration, this emperor. Maybe he has a calming tonic. All right, so maybe he's a little bit in his feels about this high priestess, right? Feels the high priestess can bring some sort of financial security in, possibly. Okay. Why is this 9 of coins here? Who's this 9 of coins? Who's this 9 of coins right here? Who's this 9 of coins? Who's this 9 of coins here? Who's this 9 of coins? Whoa. Who's this 9 of coins here? Who's this 9 of coins? Who's this 9 of coins here? Who's this 9 of coins? First of all, it is somebody that's not making a choice over a certain situation, right? This person is the Queen of Swords, right? Queen of Swords not making a choice over a certain situation. She is the one who is the single person, Queen of Swords. Okay, look. That is a Page of Cups. Yeah, she's not accepting any messages. Nope, nope, nope. 5 of Rods, and she refuses to be caught up in her head about this situation, right? So the next few cards out are, whoa. Okay, 5 of Swords. She's not. She knows possibly about some lies, right? And then we have the 4 of Pentacles. She knows, or somebody's holding on tightly to her, or she's holding on to some sort of situation here, this single lady, right? We have the 10. Yeah, she's been backstabbed here, right? We have the 10 of Cups and the 10 of Swords. Come on now. So somebody may have lied to her about having the 10 of Cups, right? Or something like that. But basically they didn't, and that's where she feels backstabbed because this whole time possibly thought, oh, we were in love, we were going to do this, that, and the other, but they didn't, right? They didn't do that. It was a big old lie or something, you know? So that's basically how she's feeling right now, deceived. Alright, so that feels like this is a story about this Empress lady, right? What might be going on? But now with the Emperor popped up, right? Who's the Emperor? Who's coming towards 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 the Emperor? Oh, you see that? Okay, this is the 4 of, okay, marriage. The Emperor wants marriage. What's going on with this Emperor and this marriage card? Whoa, okay. We have the King of Rods. Emperor could have fire in their chart. And we have the coins, Ace of Coins, a new beginning of stability, right? Security, stability, stuff like that. So who else is coming, or what else is going on with this Emperor? Or actually, why is this 4 of Rods here for the Emperor? Why is this 4 of Rods here for the Emperor? Why is this 4 of Rods here for the Emperor? Alright, so we have the Star. Okay, he's hoping for marriage, possibly. Okay, yeah, he's hoping for marriage. Look, 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 look. Okay, what else does this, what is this King of Rods doing here? Ooh, King of Rods. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's a message coming in, some truth, okay? And then after that truth, somebody's going to have to make a decision, right? Which is this King of Rods. So the Emperor could be displaying the King of Rods sort of energy, right? Passionate and all that. Why is this Ace of Coins here? 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 Gosh, I hate when they bend them. Okay, look, we have the Queen of Coins, okay? Ace of Coins, Queen of Coins. Somebody wants to start something new with a Queen of Coins. Now, if that single lady could be this Queen of Coins too, right? Because we haven't seen, oh, look, King of Coins energy. Oh, shit. There is a Queen of Coins, though. Look at that. King and Queen. These two might be shacked up, right? Why else is that there? Why else is that there? The Emperor, yeah, the Emperor is. He's with that Queen of Coins. And maybe displaying King of Coins energy because he's with the Queen of Coins. Could be, right? Yeah, let's, okay, you guys, okay. So we got that the Emperor is with the Queen of Coins, right? Empress is in there in the mix too. Empress and we have single ladies, so you know we have several ladies here, possibly to one man. You know, player like energy, not very, not a very honest person. Um, trying to figure who's going to be let go here. Who's going to be let go here in this situation? Who is going to be let go in this situation, because we can't have them all. So who is going to be let go in this situation with all these people here? Who is ultimately going to be let go? Okay, so the next few cards out are, well, let's see what this one is. The Lovers. Damn. Lovers are going to be let go, okay. Because Lover is going to be let go and worked out with possibly a current situation or baby mama, baby daddy, whatever, right? Who else is going to be, what's going to be let go here? Ooh. Okay, the Moon, secrets, okay. Somebody's going to stop possibly holding back information. They're going to let go of all extra lovers. They're going to work on their relationship with their own personal, maybe they're in something right now, right? So they might want to just work that out with whoever they're with and let go of all outside lovers, right? Yeah, this is the King of Blades. Okay, so this is a air sign, male energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Somebody's letting go of all the outside clutter, the lovers, right? Because this person is possibly already in a relationship and they want to work it out, right? Look at that. We have the Five of Blades. Okay, so somebody, yeah, was lying. Somebody had been lying, right? Somebody had been lying about something and they actually want to work it out, okay? What else do we have here? What else do we have here for this situation? Who's being let go here? Who's being let go here? Who else being let go? Whoops. Three of Blades. Okay, yeah, so no more three-party situations. That's what I'm seeing. Somebody's going to be letting go of lovers. They're going to go and try and work on whatever they've been, keeping a secret, which could be a relationship, right? Yeah, somebody was lying about something, so now they're going to go ahead and, this is Six of Swords. They're going to go ahead and move forward with whoever they've been dealing with, right? They're dropping all the lovers and all that. So somebody out there is actually going to be trying to work on this. We have the Five of Rods, right? This could also be in someone's head, right? Somebody could feel that somebody has moved on and no longer wants to be involved in this situation, right? It's a possibility too. Alright, so let's get these up. It's such a nice screen right now with all the little plants on there. I think that's really pretty. To me it is. I don't know. I'm gonna put this to the side, and I have these here. These are the Loteria cards. Let's see what the Loteria has to say about what's going on here with the situation. Any kind of, this is news, I guess, the Loteria from the universe with the Loteria. Right? What does the universe have to say about anything here? Alright, so we have, ooh, the devil, there's a problem. Alright, there's a problem, and clarity needs to come forward in regards to this problem, right? This was upside down, so there's no clarity, right? This is also upside down, which means usually somebody's protected, somebody's not protected at the moment, okay? What else do we have here? What message do we have? Look at that. Somebody mimic, right? Somebody might be gossiping right now about something or something like that. There might be somebody, you know. Okay, death. Okay, a narrow escape of death, right? This is in the reverse. Somebody might not be narrowly escaping. Somebody might be sick. Okay, there's a clever person involved here. Okay, somebody's very clever, and people may not realize, you know, somebody has planned something. They're planning something, right? They're planning something in regards to this situation. All right, there they are. Let's see. Oh, shoot. Need to heal is in the reverse. Somebody is not trying to heal a situation. We have used. Somebody feels used currently, and they're trying to escape whatever situation they're in. Whoa, you guys, this is gnarly, right? So somebody is narrowly escaping a problem with the devil, right? And they weren't protected, and they might have narrowly escaped death or whatever, but or maybe they didn't, right? Or maybe somebody in the environment did it, and they don't need time to heal because maybe they didn't escape. You know, maybe somebody was hurt in the situation. I'm not too quite sure, but there needs to be more clarity in regards to this death card, right? Or some change that might have happened also, right? There might not have been an ending to a situation, and there is no need to heal, right? Maybe, maybe the shade has been removed. Maybe the shade has been removed, you guys, and somebody is, you know, maybe they weren't clear in the past about this Diablito, right? And somebody has been maybe going over in cycles, and they realize this. Possibly they're becoming clever to this, right? They're becoming clever to this. Yeah, interesting, right? Yeah, and I just wrote that need to heal thing right there randomly. I didn't know that would have come out, and I guess I had a feeling, right? Look, I have one more thing for you guys. These are so cute. I made these. Okay, look. So these are love messages. If you're thinking about another person, you know, you might be that empress and the emperor might be out there, something like that, right? So let's go ahead and see, let's see what comes out. Let's just pick random. Look at this. When I look at the stars, oh, they're saying something like when they look at the stars, you know, they think of, maybe they think, are you looking at the stars? Okay. Yeah. I have you are so beautiful. I guess it's whatever you can see the full message, right? Yeah. That's cute. Okay, let's pick another one. See what another one says. You make me happy. Out on the town, so maybe you guys have been out in the town and you made them happy, whatever. Maybe acting appropriately, I don't know. Oh, I'm sorry I hurt you. We also have a goat. So that could be Chinese astrology, right? You could have business. You could have had a business or met them at a business. You could have taken a trip to the mountains or something, right? You might like the color purple. Oh, also here we have the letter A in this one. So if that resonates, the letter A is there. Okay, we have the letter R and the letter K. Tiger, Chinese astrology. I dream of you. It almost looks like I don't see the Y-O-U, but I see the Y, so I know that's what that said. You know, these are cute. Yeah. You make me happy. Okay. I can see I'm trying. I can also see rabbit, the letter A again. Rabbit. Rat, year of the rat. Babe, somebody might call you babe. The letter Q. I wish I had more to give. Oh, yellow. Yellow. Commit. It might be part of commitment. Loyalty might be there too. No one compares to you. How cute. And let's see, this should be the final one, right? Dragon, year of the dragon. Yes, loyalty is there. We have the letter B, we have the letter G. Holding hands. Maybe you guys like holding hands. Yeah, so that's what I have for you guys today. So I just made these. I don't know what I'll call them. Let's call them love messages. Love messages. All right, you guys. So yeah, that was a nature read. Try to keep it true love energy, right? Happy, friendly, loving. With nothing to fear because we are calm and we are cheerful. And the nature energizes us all the time, right? Yeah. I feel good out here. I feel like I've been like energizing during the whole reading, like kind of like plugged into the wall, getting that electric, charge, but from the nature, right? Okay, you guys. I'm Mona. This is Kaleidoscope Dreams Tarot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.